What if I told you it was super easy to create this fake whipped topping for your tumblers? Whether you're a crafter or a small business owner who wants to add something new to your shop, keep on watching the step-by-step tutorial and I'll also tell you all of the supplies that I use today. There are so many ways to upgrade your tumbler lid so they're not plain. I blinged this one out. I also have a tutorial for that. Today I'm using some fake sprinkles as well as some 3D charms that I got on Amazon. For the whipped cream lids, I'm using spackling. I've seen a lot of people use this. Now I created fake whipped cream before, like for phone cases and acrylic keychains using this set that I got from Amazon. Everything I'm using in today's video as well as the tutorials that I mentioned earlier will be linked below, so be sure to check out the description box. You can use a piping bag for this part, but I used a sandwich bag because I ran out. What I did was cut a corner in the sandwich bag and put the piping tip through. To make sure that it's secure and none of the foam comes out through the sides, I did tape it down. Then I placed the bag in the cup, making sure that the piping tip was at the bottom. You want a cup that's tall enough so you can fill the entire bag. I wanted to do an icing with two colors, so I got some pink acrylic paint and I mixed all of the paint into one cup that had spackling in it to color it. I don't have a specific measurement for how much spackling I took out of the tub. I just did however much I think would be enough. If you're still watching, be sure to comment your favorite color so I know that you watched up to this point and we can confuse other people. Or don't, to be honest with you. I just wanted to do something that's interactive. Different ways that you can put the spackling into the bag for different colors. Since I'm only using two, I just put it directly inside the bag from the cup on the different sides. But if you're trying to do, say, 4 colors, I would recommend getting a plastic wrap, putting all of your colors in a line, sort of like a rainbow, rolling it up, and then putting it in the Ziploc bag. If you ever used icing for cakes before, or if you watch videos of that, it's a similar process. Before you even start piping onto the lid, what I like to do is do a trial run on a piece of paper or napkin, just so you have a feel of how it's like and the pressure that you need to use. This is also helpful for if you're using multiple colors because it will allow you to squeeze as much whipped cream out as you need until all of the colors show. After that, it's the easiest part ever. You put your sprinkles on. I placed the sprinkles individually so I made sure it stuck because when I tried to sprinkle it with my fingers, it wasn't sticking due to the consistency of the spackle. This is the final result. I created 2 different types of lids and I absolutely love them. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. I also hid an ice cream emoji somewhere in this video, so if you found it, let me know where it is in the comments.